new record for me myself. What a performance I give.
How many century you
7-0-0-0-0-0-0-0.
And India win? Was your feeling?
Great feeling.
You
Jojo
support?
India. I India support.
Okay.
I like India. India people good. India excellent. India is playing like a rocket. Everything they good. Bowling,
And
batting. I like Bumrah.
And
Bumrah
what's
is bowling.
your batsman? Your favorite batsman?
The one and only Virat Kohli. Doesn't matter if he's on from, in from, he is the player for India. And you have to name these players forever because these are the players will come only for once. They're not going to come again. So Virat Kohli is all the way. There is no doubt.
Tell about Bangladesh player. What place to
Bangladesh
improve?
player have Bangladesh. The only class player is Sakib. There is no doubt about it. He's the class player. We support Sakib all the way, but we don't support any other players. He's a Shanto, he's a Oshanto. And there's another guy called T Tamim or something. I think he needs to come play with us. He will take some tips from us. We'll give him some tips. And Mahmudullah Bhai is a retired man. What can I say about him? Dadiala Mesa Manush. Let him rest. Because give him break now. Enough is enough.
You want to tell
one
anything
thing
to
I
Papon?
said, brother, Papon Bhai, money. When money is there, Papon Bhai is there. There is no doubt. So money is here until money no going. Papon Bhai is staying. Money gone. Papon Bhai, assalamu alaikum. I don't know what cricket team.
You want to tell anything to Haturi Singh?
Haturi Singh. Tell me about Haturi Singh. Does he know how to play cricket? And he's the coach of Bangladesh. So that's why we lose. You know. Get Rajin Saleh, get this brother, I don't know what's his name, he's from Chattogram Bhai, he's a very good coach. Bring them in the team, you will see our Bangladesh will rock the world.
And you want to tell anything about to the the captain?
No, we need to change captain. Shanto is not a great captain, there's no doubt about it. Now if you say, okay, who is going to do the captaincy? Look, there is a future for Bangladesh. Miraj is the world-class captain, yeah? I like him. Bring him to the captain. Bangladesh team will be different, inshallah.
Okay. You anything you wanna say about whole team and Bangladesh?
What can I say about Bangladesh team? Bangladesh team is a great team. All they need to kick the Haturi Singh out of the team, get new manager, make sure get Bengali manager, Bengali coach. Yeah. Then inshallah, see India what they do. They don't get any player from outside. If we lose, we lose. Salahuddin Bhai, yes, here you go. There is a tips coming from Muhib Bhai. He says Salahuddin Bhai. Salahuddin Bhai is a great coach. We salute Salahuddin Bhai. He's our main Bangladeshi player. We need Salahuddin Bhai in the coach for Bangladesh.
Okay, hope best of luck in Bangladesh. Thank you very much. Thank you.